So we got a 7320 that we're working on today, and customer says it idles up and down and having some issues when they're running.
We're getting a code for the accelerator pedal potentiometer voltage low, and it's flashing off and on because it's kind of an intermittent issue. Tracked it down to some wiring on the right hand console. There's lots of burnt wires. We got a burnt pin and a connector there. Looks like there was a melted wire and caused a bunch of other wires to be melted as well.
So after fixing all the wiring in the side console there and behind the seat, there was tons of spots where at some point the wire going for the air conditioner blower motors melted a bunch of wires beside it, and someone bypassed the wire that melted and didn't fix any of the rest of the stuff. And so then some of the bare wires started rubbing. That's what was causing our issue with our RPMs, causing the motor to kind of surge or sound like I had a misfire when running it. A little history on this tractor. New customer to me. He actually found me here on TikTok and had multiple people look at this tractor over the last several years. Said he spent close to $20,000 trying to fix the issue. Had different shops look at it, and they put injectors in it once, a fuel pump, an ECU, some wiring to the injection pump. Did all sorts of stuff trying to figure out what it was, and never could figure it out. And even said one guy seen the code on the ECU for the accelerator pedal, so he just cleared it for him because he didn't think it had anything to do with it, and which obviously it did. So I'm glad we're able to figure this out for this customer. I'm sure he'll be very happy now.